In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create rules in Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll know how to automatically sort incoming messages so your inbox stays clean and organized without constant manual work. First, open your web browser and search for Yahoo Mail. When the results appear, click the official Yahoo Mail link to open the sign-in page. If you ever feel unsure, check that the address bar shows Yahoo's secure site before proceeding. Sign in to your account using your usual credentials. If you use extra verification, have your device handy so you can complete the sign-in process smoothly. Once you're in, we'll head to Settings. In the older Yahoo Mail view, click the Account or Profile drop-down, choose Settings, and then click Go to open the full settings page. If your layout looks different, look for the gear icon typically found near the top right and open the settings from there. The goal is simply to reach the area where mail settings can be edited. In the Settings menu on the left, click Filters. This is where Yahoo lets you create automation rules for incoming messages. You'll see any filters you've already set up, and you can adjust or prioritize them later if needed. Click Add New Filter. This creates a fresh rule. Start by giving your filter a clear name, something descriptive like newsletters, invoices, or project updates. A good name will help you recognize and manage it later. Next, define the filter rules. Choose the criteria that should trigger the filter. Common options include from to CC, subject, or body, and then pick a condition such as contains or begins with. For example, you might set from contains and enter a sender's domain, or subject contains and enter a project keyword. Keep your criteria specific to avoid sweeping up unrelated emails. If you're experimenting, start broad, test with a few new messages, and then narrow the rule as needed. Now, select where those messages should go. In the Choose a Folder to Move to drop-down, pick the destination folder. If you've already created folders like Receipts or Team, select one of those. If you need a new folder, you can create it from the main mail view and return to assign it here. Choosing the right destination is key to keeping your inbox focused. Finally, click Save at the bottom. Your filter is now active. New emails that match your criteria will move automatically to the folder you selected. Remember, filters typically apply to incoming messages, so to organize older emails, run a search and move them manually. That's it. Your Yahoo Mail rules are set up and working for you. Keep refining your filters over time, and your inbox will stay tidy with minimal effort.